Introducing the revolutionary Smart Robot Vacuum and Mop, the ultimate cleaning companion for your home. Equipped with advanced technology, this robot can be controlled and monitored conveniently from your smartphone. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. Let the robot do all the work for you. Not only does it efficiently vacuum your floors, but it also mops, leaving them spotless and shining. But this robot doesn't just clean, it also helps you maintain an eco-friendly environment. By removing dust, allergens, and pet hairs, it ensures your home is a healthy and allergen-free zone. The robot's sophisticated sensors enable it to adapt to different surfaces and avoid obstacles effortlessly. It effortlessly cleans carpets, tiles, hardwood floors, and even under furniture, reaching those hard-to-reach spots. With customizable cleaning schedules, you can set the robot to clean while you're away, coming home to a pristine space. And the best part? You can monitor and control the robot from anywhere, using the dedicated smartphone app. Imagine the convenience of starting a cleaning cycle while you're at work or even during your vacation. No need to worry about battery life either, as the robot has an impressive running time and automatically returns to its charging dock. Thanks to its powerful suction, the robot can capture even the tiniest particles, providing a thorough deep clean. Limited time sale. Get a new robot vacuum and come home to a clean home every day. Please make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe.